Unahin po natin itong inaasahang pagdami ng cyber attacks dahil nga po na may kinalaman sa troll farms dahil po sa papalapit na eleksyon. Paano po ito pinaghahandaan ng inyong ahensya?
Yung sa mga, naku, ang hirap. Opening pa lang, ang hirap ng tanong. Ano, yung troll farms. Unahin natin yung problema. Ang problema kasi wala naman nagbabawal sa troll farm. So, hindi siya illegal eh. Pero what we can do for now is, yung DICT kasi merong mga social media monitoring. Of course, we respect the rights of people to express their opinion. But we still monitor certain attacks against personalities, like the attack against our top four, no? The president, the vice president, the Senate president, and the speaker of the House. Kasi nasa constitutional hierarchy yan eh. Lalo kung fake news, lalo kung ano, yung nabalitaan nyo na ba yung latest sa Indonesia, pati yung kanilang presidente ginaya, no, na deepfake, which actually already happened to the Philippines. And then we have this framework. We have this framework with social media platforms where we have a back-end reporting tool. Mas mabilis kaming mag-report kasi meron na kaming kasunduan with these foreign social media platform operators and owners na kapag high level yung usapan, like for example, nangyari na rin to, no? Ginaya yung boses ng presidente as if ordering troops in our West Philippine Sea to retaliate. Then what we do is we take them down. We request for a takedown. So yan yung mga ginagawa natin. Pero ngayon kasing election, dumadami. Tapos hindi siya targeted against candidates, against individuals. Meron din kami pinopromote halimbawa na kampanya. I don't know if you've heard of this, DJ Chacha, no? Yung verified accounts. We are actually promoting that if you are a government official or tulad ninyo, a news anchor, ganyan.
The blue check.
Mag-apply na kayo for, yes, the blue check mark, yung verified accounts. And doon lang tayo kumuha ng opinion at news kasi yung mga verified accounts kasi may nag-submit ng ID yan eh. So ergo po pwedeng madaling balikan ba kapag gusto mong kasuhan ng libel or anything of that sort.
Yusek, yung binabanggit nyo na blue check, nababayaran yan eh. There are certain accounts na gumagamit, may blue check, pero ang pinapalagana for fake news.
Yung mga ganyan, kinakailangan talagang i-report kay Meta, kay Facebook. Kasi minsan nga, nakita ko pa yung sarili ko sa ad eh. Paid ad na nagbebenta ako ng Wi-Fi modem eh. And I told Meta nga, I think you should be able to, police your own system.